Nakaabang ang mundo sa kalakalan o mundo ng kalakalan sa sinasabing reciprocal tariffs ni US President Donald Trump. Subalit ayon sa isang ekonomista, mas nakakapangamba pa ang kawalan ng katiyakan sa industriya ng kalakalan kaysa sa dagdag taripa ni Trump. Narito ang report ni Marjorie Quintos.
Noong Martes, habang nakaantabay ang maraming negosyante sa ganting taripa ng Estados Unidos, tumaas ang global shares sa gitna ng pabago-bagong trading. Samantala, umakyat naman sa pinakamataas ang presyo ng ginto. A-2 ng Abril ang anunsyo ni Pangulong Donald Trump ng tinatawag nitong Liberation Day, batay sa pangakong paghahayag ng malawakang reciprocal tariff plan. Tinukoy ni Mizuho Securities USA Chief Economist Steven Ricciuto ang tunay na issue sa sitwasyong taripa.
I think for the markets, the big issue here really is the uncertainty. I think markets would like to get it over and done with. Tell me what it is, let us adjust, and let us get on with it. It's this back and forth, what we're going to do, what we're not going to do, the fear of what they're going to do, we're going to do this, and then we're going to delay the announcement. And it's this uncertainty issue that's really bothering the markets, more than I think the tariffs themselves.
Sa kabilang banda, ipinaliwanag naman ni Ricciuto kung paanong hindi ang mamimili ang babalikat sa epekto ng taripa.
Consumer's not going to pay it all. The manufacturer's going to pay some of it. The currency is going to eat some of it. Look, for a lot of these companies, it's a loss minimization process. Okay, you know, if I'm a producer of a good, and I'm very much need the U.S. marketplace, then I run a risk. Do I shut down and go out of business, or do I take a loss for a while and see if I can adjust and lower my costs and become competitive again? It's a decision everyone's going to have to make individually. You saw reports earlier today of a particular German automobile manufacturer saying maybe it doesn't bring its lowest priced products into the U.S. anymore because they can't compete. Well, maybe that's the case, but I'm sure that'll open up opportunities for other manufacturers who can compete.
Noong Lunes, inilabas ng tanggapan ng US Trade Representative ang taunang report nito ukol sa foreign trade barriers. Nakasaad dito ang samot-saring tuntunin ng iba't ibang bansa na itinuturing na balakid sa kalakalan. Subalit hindi malinaw kung paanong maaapektuhan ng report ang planong ganting taripa ng administrasyon. Marjorie Quintos para sa Mata ng Agila International. Trusted, connected, on point.